We are excited to announce the imminent construction of Toowoomba Grammar School's new Agriculture and Industry Centre. Opening in 2026, this facility sets a new standard in excellence in the teaching of agricultural science and industry pathways. At Toowoomba Grammar School, our innovative approach will immerse our boys in practical, industry-relevant experiences next year.
Where agricultural science meets industrial innovation, all under one roof. The AIC will enable students to transform from learners to creators, moving seamlessly from advanced high-tech labs to working gardens and large-scale industrial technology manufacturing zones. This isn't just education, it's a full experience. Design a solution, build it with your hands, grow what it nurtures and share what you harvest. From blueprint to building, from seedling to serving, from concept to creation, the complete, exciting journey happens here.
These facilities will provide our boys with unparalleled opportunities to develop industry-leading skills and knowledge, and we can't wait to open this incredible facility where tomorrow's leaders are developed today.